case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 1980 Supreme Court case of California retail liquor dealers Asin v. Midcal Aluminum, Inc., the legality of California's wine pricing system was brought into question. The system required all wine producers, wholesalers, and rectifiers to file fair trade contracts or price schedules with the state, establishing a statewide minimum for wholesale prices. Midcal Aluminum, a wine distributor, argued that this system violated the Sherman Act, which prohibits activities that restrain trade, such as resale price maintenance. The California Supreme Court ruled in favor of Midcal Aluminum, finding the pricing system in violation of the Sherman Act. The decision was later upheld by the U.S. Supreme Court, which deemed the wine pricing system as illegally restraining trade by constituting resale price maintenance. The court also found that the 21st Amendment did not protect the state's wine pricing program from violating the Sherman Act. State interests in maintaining the wine pricing system were considered less significant than the national policy supporting competition. As a result, the pricing system was deemed illegal, and the ruling of the California Court of Appeal was upheld.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind, leave the stress of class.